Hey everyone! If you're new here, we cover all things like nutrition, health, and wellness to help you live your healthiest and most radiant life. Today, we're tackling a skin issue that so many of us deal with: acne. Whether you're dealing with a few pimples or more persistent breakouts, finding the right solution can be tricky. But what if I told you that nature might hold the key? In today's video, we'll explore 5 powerful natural remedies that could help you clear up your skin without the harsh chemicals. Let's dive right in. Our first remedy is tea tree oil, a go-to solution for many people struggling with acne. What makes tea tree oil so special? It has potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which means it targets acne-causing bacteria and reduces redness. To use it, you'll want to dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil. Applying it undiluted can irritate the skin, so always mix it first. Dab the mixture on your blemishes with a cotton swab and voila! Remember, tea tree oil is strong, so start slow and always do a patch test before full use. Next, we have a natural duo that works wonders for acne-prone skin: honey and cinnamon. Honey, especially raw honey, is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, and it's also packed with antibacterial properties. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is loaded with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory benefits. To create this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Spread it evenly over your face, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. This soothing mask can help calm inflammation, hydrate the skin, and even reduce acne over time. Green tea isn't just a relaxing drink. It can also be a game changer for your skin. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, green tea helps reduce sebum production and fights inflammation, 2 major contributors to acne. To use it as a toner, simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool completely, and then apply it to your skin with a cotton pad. You can store any extra toner in the fridge for up to 3 days. Not only does it feel refreshing, but it also soothes redness and inflammation. And for an extra cooling effect, applying cold green tea straight from the fridge can give your skin that added calming boost. Aloe vera is one of the most versatile natural remedies out there, and when it comes to acne, it doesn't disappoint. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, but it also contains compounds that accelerate skin healing, reduce inflammation, and even help fade acne scars. For best results, I recommend using fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant. Simply cut open an aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it to your skin. If you don't have an aloe plant, store-bought aloe vera gel will work too. Just make sure it's pure aloe without added ingredients. Apply it daily and watch your skin become calmer and clearer over time. Finally, let's talk about apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple is rich in acetic acid, which has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's also known to help balance your skin's pH levels, which can prevent future breakouts. However, apple cider vinegar is quite strong, so it's crucial to dilute it with water before applying it to your skin. A good rule of thumb is to mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply it with a cotton pad after cleansing as a toner, but be sure to follow up with a good moisturizer because it can be drying. And, as with any acidic treatment, don't forget to patch test first. So there you have it. 5 simple, natural remedies that you can try at home to help tackle acne. The best part? These ingredients are easily available, and they're gentle on your skin compared to some of the harsher products out there. Remember though, natural remedies take time and patience, so consistency is key. Try out the remedies that suit your skin type best, and always patch test new ingredients before applying them to your face. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more skincare tips and natural remedies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay glowing.